Many have wondered if Jesus is a real person. Some people see Jesus as a false figure created by man's imagination. We're going to interview some Christians and let's see what their answers. Oh, do you think Jesus is a real person?
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because I have faith that he is. There are numerous historical accounts that point to the existence of him as a person. He's a fixture in multiple religions. And I do believe he is a real person.
Is a real person?
I think Jesus is a real person, not only because I have faith in the Bible, but because there's historical evidence to back it up.
Jesus is a real person?
Yes, I believe Jesus is a real person because the Bible says he is, and we believe what the Bible says.
Proving Jesus as a real person will begin with archaeological evidence. The archaeological evidence shows that Jesus had grown up in Nazareth, which was close to Sapphires, a popular city in the early 1st century BC. This city was large and most of its population was Jewish at the time. This evidence shows that Nazareth had been linked to a number of roads that accommodate travel. The idea that Jesus grew up in isolation has been discredited by most Christian historians. Evidence for the existence of synagogues in Jesus' time is strong. Archaeologists have identified about 7 buildings that date before the year 70. There have been many archaeological findings, such as the tablets found in Vindolanda, England, near Hadrian's Wall, or the graffiti engraved on the walls of Pompeii and Herculaneum, which Jesus may have read. There has been much evidence on the crucifixion and burial of Jesus. These include the skeletal remains of a man who had been crucified, with an iron spike stabbed into him. Despite his gruesome execution, Jesus' body was taken down from the cross and was buried, which is in accordance with the Jewish customs. Continuing with his historical documents. Many Roman documents have written about Jesus and have described him as a revolutionary man of his time. The Roman documents speak of many Bible stories that the miracles that Jesus performed. One document writes named Pliny describes Jesus and his disciples in one passage. They were in the habit of meeting on a certain fixed day before it was light, when they sang in alternate verses a hymn to Christ, as to a God, and bound themselves by a solemn oath, not to any wicked deeds, but never to commit any fraud, theft or adultery, never to falsify their word, nor deny trust when they should be called upon to deliver it up. After which it was their custom to separate, and then reassemble to partake of food, but food of an ordinary and innocent kind. Jesus was well known in the day is said to be real by even not Christians historians. There have been many historical accounts of Jesus. Many kings and rulers in the day have described Jesus. Even many rulers who fought against Jesus realized his existence. In the end, the evidence of Jesus is so overwhelming that even atheist or non-Christian historians and theologians have recognized the existence of Jesus. There have been many first-hand accounts, archaeological evidence, and historical documents to prove that Jesus was a real person who was crucified.